We see a few isolated showers already popping up right offshore, and a couple of isolated showers along the coastline are possible early tomorrow morning. So you'll wake up to some raindrops tomorrow morning. As we start our Tuesday, these will be fast-moving showers. They won't last long, and once we get to noon, Vipercast says that all of this will be pushing inland as some drier air continues to filter in, and that east wind pushes all the rainfall to the other side of the state. 5:30 in the afternoon looks good. All right, inland thunderstorms and thunderstorms across the west coast. Then we see a very similar forecast for Wednesday as well. Starting the clock here at 6 a.m. Wednesday, isolated showers on the coastline, and then some inland activity and some activity along the west coast of Florida too. So Wednesday will be similar to today and Tuesday, but we'll see a little bit more in the way of coverage with the showers and thunderstorms on Wednesday. Beach and boating forecast has not been good the last couple of days. It's going to continue to be a little hairy as we get into Tuesday. Watch out for those dangerous rip currents, east wind 10 to 20, lightning threat low. The big story will be the rip currents at the area beach. Boaters, we have about 6-foot seas right now. It is possible to see some 8-foot seas tomorrow. Inland waterways still choppy. Small craft advisory continues to be in effect. Now, here's what's left of Danielle. It was a tropical storm, but it made landfall around 8 o'clock this evening. And as it made landfall, it really just started to fall apart. It continues to push to the west, max winds at 35 miles per hour. As it pushes west, it's going to encounter some really mountainous terrain, and it's going to really lose its punch. And what it's going to do is going to rain itself out. So 10 to 15 inches of rainfall possible for this area in Mexico. That means life-threatening flash floods possible for that area of Mexico too. Here's the satellite imagery of Danielle. You can see it's not too impressive now. Been getting a lot of questions about this wave that's out here in the Caribbean. Now, the National Hurricane Center isn't highlighting this. They're not watching it right now. And all models take this wave way down to the south towards the Yucatan and into the southwest Gulf of Mexico. Here's the 7-day forecast. Hot and humid for us Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Heat index values near 100 towards the end of the work week. Going into the weekend, that continues. Showers and thunderstorms aplenty as we get into the end of the work week as well. Let's look at weather. We'll be back with more news and weather after the break.